Are you looking to use a Milwaukee Packout bed configuration and a Yeti 35-quart cooler in your Rzr Turbo R or Pro XP? Your off-road adventure just got a significant upgrade with our latest innovation, the Milwaukee Packout Mount by RUS Offroad. Precision in construction. Crafted with precision using CNC-designed and laser cutting technology, our Milwaukee Packout Mount ensures accuracy and top-notch quality. The 1/8-inch thick steel construction guarantees durability and longevity, standing up to the toughest challenges your off-road adventures may throw at it. No need to worry about the bumps and jumps. Your gear stays securely in place. Powder-coated finish. Our Milwaukee Packout Mount is powder-coated in a black finish, adding a touch of style to your Polaris Rzr Turbo R or Pro XP. The powder-coated black finish enhances the aesthetic appeal and protects the mount from the elements, ensuring it remains in prime condition. Yeti Cooler Compatibility. Tailored to accommodate a Yeti 35 cooler in the bed, using our custom-designed Yeti Cooler hold-down brackets for Polaris Rzr Turbo R Pro XP additional purchase. Whether you choose to use it with or without the Packout Mount, our custom Yeti 35-quart cooler tie-downs provide a reliable and versatile mounting solution. Versatile configuration. Customize your setup with ease. The Milwaukee Packout Mount offers versatile configuration options, allowing you to adapt it to your specific needs and preferences. Explore various setup possibilities to match your off-road style. Easy installation. Designed to work seamlessly with the factory mounting holes, our Milwaukee Packout Mount eliminates the need for drilling. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process, ensuring a secure fit without compromising the integrity of your Polaris Rzr Turbo R or Pro XP. Money-back guarantee. We know you will love it, but if you don't, send it back and we will give you a full refund, minus shipping. Upgrade your off-road setup with the Milwaukee Packout Mount, the strongest on the market. Unleash the full potential of your Polaris Rzr Turbo R or Pro XP with this essential addition to your off-road arsenal.